Bitcoin money explicitly is a mid-position digital money at present estimated at $215.40 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $4,200,597,244, which generally is genuinely huge. Over the especially beyond couple of years, digital forms of money, including Bitcoin money, laid out a kind of solid traction in the worldwide monetary world and, for the most part, are presently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, products, and unfamiliar monetary standards, forex, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. A few institutional financial backers even sort of consider crypto as an effective supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy in a truly significant way. Retail financial backers and dealers in a real sense are somewhat keen on digital currencies, exceptionally, for example, BCH in light of the fact that this, for the most part, is ostensibly the most open monetary market, where various resources basically have the especially potential for 100x to 1000x increases in a moderately certainly brief time frame in an unobtrusive manner. These profits in a real sense are fundamentally impossible in certainly different business sectors, which generally is the motivation behind why most kind of moderate financial backers truly are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Bitcoin money, while the groundbreaking ones generally dedicate a critical piece of their especially cash flow to this quickly creating resource class amazingly. At this really specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Bitcoin money to the level at $215.40, where it as of now in a real sense sits in a kind of enormous manner. As currently referenced, BCH basically is a mid-position cryptographic money, since it as of now possesses the 20th spot in worldwide digital money rankings, the sort of metric not entirely set in stone, by duplicating the for the most part current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource, or so they truly thought. On account of Bitcoin money, the market capitalization truly remains at $4,200,597,244. The significance of this boundary will for the most part be especially made sense of later in a sort of huge manner. Our cost forecast calculation fundamentally is planned in extremely such a manner that it persistently screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to essentially furnish our supporters with the most reliable data on the really present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to sufficiently truly survey the condition of their portfolio and sort of choose whether or not it certainly needs to especially be reconfigured, or so they essentially thought. Our calculation likewise gives sort of exceptional consideration to verifiable information, which certainly is fundamentally imperative for the truly right assessment of both current and expected market structure, and the evaluation of its sort of present and future course, which for the most part is very huge. Underneath you will explicitly find truly key selections of this authentic information, so you also could truly have a comprehension of where the Bitcoin money market fundamentally is going, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Yesterday, on September 15, BCH explicitly was esteemed at $207.86 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. Fundamentally recollect that digital forms of money most certainly are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. in an unobtrusive manner. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period, truly added up to 0.03% incredibly. 7 days prior, on September 9, Bitcoin money sort of was exchanged at $193.10 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that especially near its by and large present position, showing how at this truly specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Bitcoin money to the level at $215.40, where it as of now especially sits in a very huge manner. On August 16, which essentially was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged BCH at $207.87, the cost level that generally is at the distance of 2.98%. From where it presently remains in every practical sense, significant way. The cost of BCH and the readings of CVIX really are not by any means the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost expectations in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. Market capitalization basically is another significant, most certainly metric that really assists traders with truly deciding the prevalence of the cryptographic money being referred to, as well as its future possibilities in every practical sense. Further appearance. How over the kind of past certainly couple of years, cryptographic forms of money, including Bitcoin money, laid out a truly impressive traction in the worldwide monetary world, and especially are currently being exchanged comparable to customary resources like stocks, products, and unfamiliar monetary forms, forex, or so they in every way that really matters. Thought. It's additionally used to for the most part survey the offer that Bitcoin money certainly holds inside the really whole digital currency market. Or so they in a real sense thought. The recipe for the estimation of market capitalization in a real sense is somewhat basic. The flowing stockpile of the cash being referred to especially is duplicated by its sort of current cost in an unobtrusive manner. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of BCH generally remains at $4,205,97,244, enough to name it the 20th, certainly the biggest coin on the digital currency market, which in a real sense is very huge. Yesterday, on September 15th, the market capitalization of Bitcoin money sort of remained at $4,054,166,344, which certainly shows that it is likewise used to generally evaluate the offer that Bitcoin money truly holds inside the genuinely whole digital currency market in an exceptionally enormous manner. 7 days prior, on September 9th, the capitalization of BCH really was $3,765,260,726, which fundamentally is very critical. A month prior, on August 16th, how much sort of capital streaming around this sort of specific market generally added up to $4,048,813,225 in an unpretentious manner. Most cryptographic money financial backers sort of stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a kind of specific digital currency and its capacity to generally endure disturbances, which for the most part are the by and large normal event on this profoundly unstable market in an unpretentious manner. It is by and large evident that the especially previously mentioned market capitalization of Bitcoin money permits to for the most part characterize it as the mid-cap digital currency that has a place in the OK gathering in a by and large significant manner. Since we generally have proactively referenced the equation for computing the market capitalization, it would explicitly be in every practical sense, suitable to in every practical sense, commit a part of this report to the stock of BCH in a fundamentally significant manner. For certainly your data, there sort of are three kinds of supply for essentially every digital money. The greatest stockpile, which generally implies the quantity of coins that would be created on a very specific blockchain all through its presence. The kind of all-out supply, which alludes to the quantity of coins previously delivered, starting from the commencement of the venture. The circling supply, which clearly alludes to the quantity of coins available for use, in most certainly different words, that for the most part are overall effectively exchanged on trade stages. The exceptionally most extreme stockpile of Bitcoin money truly is 21,000,000 BCH. The extremely all